Hi everyone, this is a quick video to show you how to use Google's AR to find the animals and create a little virtual zoo at your house. So just going into Safari or Chrome, I'm going to type the word that I'm looking for, the animals. Here's shark. So you'll see if you scroll down, it says meet a life-size great white shark up close. So I'm going to click on that to view in 3D. And there's lots of different animals. Now it's going to ask me to move the phone around to position where I want the shark to go. And there he is. So I can walk around and have a look at this shark from all different angles to see what he looks like. I could even take a photo of me holding the shark just by clicking on the circle photo button. And there we go. I've now got a photo of the shark in my hand. So there you go. That's how you use Google's 3D AR animal search.